Completely beginner-friendly, completely easy. I earned a lot of money with this website and now you can do the same. Hey guys, I'm back with a brand new way in which you can get paid $47 per hour with this beginner-friendly website. What's awesome about this method is that it doesn't require any fancy equipment, skill, or experience, and you can even start making money with this right now, right after finishing this video. These websites aren't geo-restricted either, so you can do this method anywhere in the world. But guys, the following video will be a really in-depth tutorial, so make sure to pay close attention and do not skip any parts to make sure to maximize your profit. And guys, make sure to subscribe to the channel and hit that bell icon, because that way you're not only helping me, but you're making sure that you won't miss out on any new method that can potentially make you thousands of dollars every single month. And now let's jump into the first step.
Guys, if you're watching this, you have to know that we are running a brand new giveaway on the channel. We're giving away the new iPhone 11 Pro Max or the new MacBook Pro. The choice is yours. All you have to do is watch the full video, hit the like, comment the key hidden in the video, and make sure you subscribe. It is that simple.
So for the first step of today's method, I want you to connect to irazoo.com. And I'm gonna be combining this website with two other resources so we can make some money. And this strategy will combine the three websites into one to increase your income, so you don't want to miss any of the steps. And as you can see right off the bat, these guys have already paid their members over 130 million in cash. So that's cash, guys. So keep that in mind. This is an incredible strategy, but you're gonna have to watch it to the very end and don't skip any of the steps, because I don't want you to miss out on the opportunity to capitalize and make the most amount of money. Now, this website, like I said earlier, offers surveys and doing feedback and things like that, but that takes too much time and it's just boring, and we're just gonna pass that up. But before we get into that, I want to show you that this website has been around for a while and it has been featured on Yahoo, CNN, Penny Hoarder, The Wall Street Journal. So this is a legitimate website, it's proven, and it's been around for a long time. Now, irazoo, it is true that it's been around for a long time, but remember, don't skip ahead because you need to listen to this strategy. And of course, you can always download apps, watch videos, complete some offers and surveys, play games and all that stuff. Yes, you can make money doing those things on irazoo.com, but you're not gonna make a lot of money, and the strategy I'm about to show you is where you're gonna triple or even quadruple your money. So in order for you to understand the strategy, let's just tell you how irazoo works. So you can earn points and stuff on irazoo, but here is a great thing over here. PayPal Cash. So PayPal Cash, you turn the points into PayPal Cash, and we love that. Now, if you don't have PayPal or you don't want to use PayPal for whatever reason, you can get Amazon gift cards, you can get other types of things and just turn them into money. And if you want to learn more about irazoo, you can watch a short video over here, and it tells you exactly what people need to do in order to start earning money here. But that's not what this video is about. I want you to scroll all the way down to the bottom. And now, pay attention. This is really, really important. As you can see here, there is a section entitled Refer Friends. And I want you to click on that. And this means that they've got their referral program. And you're going to find out that these guys have a very interesting and unique referral program. Now, don't worry, you're not going to have to spam your friends, ask your family to join irazoo, because you're not going to do any of that. And instead, I'm going to offer you two free tools that you're going to combine with irazoo to make a decent amount of money. So stick with me on this strategy. So refer your friends to irazoo and they will earn an extra 500 points just for accepting your invitation. So they have an incentive to click your affiliate link because they're gonna get 500 points just by signing up. And once your referral earns their first 1,000 points, you'll get a referral bonus of 1 to 500 depending on the country of the points. So basically, every referral you invite, you can earn this bonus. You can invite anybody you want, so you can see how incredibly lucrative this website can be by just signing people up to start earning money by watching videos, by doing all these other things that we talked about earlier. They can earn all kinds of money and you're gonna get a part of that money. You'll get up to 50% of their earnings. So that's some crazy amount. That's some nice passive income for you. And now I'm gonna show you how to get incredible amount of traffic so you can get people clicking on your link and signing up so that you can start making all these extra points by using the efforts of other people. So right now, all we have to do is make an account here, and in order to do that, we just need to click on this button over here, which is entitled Join. Now, you just have to fill in this application form here by entering an email address, your first name, last name, and a password. Just make sure to enter in a valid email address because they're gonna send you a confirmation link, and you need to click on that in order to start using your account here. Of course, alternatively, you can join with Facebook over here, and that will be a bit faster, of course. And this is exactly what's it gonna look like to you when you open it up. So this is your dashboard in iRazoo, and we're gonna leave that open for a second and move on to the next step. So for the second step, I want you to go to Pexels.com, and Pexels.com is a website where you can use copyright-free photos as well as videos. This is a really cool website. I've actually used it quite often in my work, and it did a job for me many times. And now I want you to click on the video tab over here, and that will bring you all these copyright-free videos that are available on Pexels.com. But we're gonna filter the search. Anything that has to do with money, we're gonna click on this money search over here. And let's see what comes up with money. So, okay, you've got all of these videos that you can use right now without attribution to the author, without getting a copyright strike, because these are available for free and they're all copyright free. So, for example, let's just choose this one over here. We can play it so we can see how is it in the looks and everything. And if we decide to choose this one, all we have to do now is click on the free download button over here, and it will automatically be downloaded into your computer. So click on this and save that video in your downloads folder or whatever so we can use it later. And for the last step of our method, we'll be going over to Imgur.com. Now, this is a social media platform where people share videos and pictures, and these videos get massive amounts of views. How do I know that? Well, if you go to My Similar Web, you can see right here on the right-hand side here that this website has 257 million people coming here every month. Now, that is a huge, massive potential of traffic, and we're going to take advantage of that. Just make sure that you make yourself a new account here and you're all set. And now, what you're going to do is go back to iRazoo and grab your referral link, copy it into your clipboard, and then come back to Imgur and click on the new post over here. And now you can choose photo or video, so you can choose anything. Just click on this and select your video that we have downloaded from Pexels.com. And now, while it is uploading, you need to give it a title, and here you can write something related to money. So let's, for example, type in something like make money online, so it's closely related to making money, and that way we are targeting the audience for that. And now we're gonna add a description. So in here you want to type in something like sign up to iRazoo and use my referral code to get 500 points for free. And now you're just gonna paste your referral link over here and you're all set. So go out there and grab your affiliate link from iRazoo, and basically you're telling people that you can get paid to just watch free videos, because that's one of the things you can do on iRazoo.com. And we can put it in the title as well. We can make like by watching videos, and that's nicer now. So now they can see that you can watch videos for free and that they can start earning points right away. But you're giving them a call to action here, and you're telling them that, hey, if you want to earn an extra 500 free bonus points, use my referral code, and boom, you pop it in right there. And then you're gonna want to add some tags, and the tags have to do something with money, something that is closely related to that. Use many of these, because that way you're gonna target it to the people on Imgur that are looking for how to make money online or how to make money watching free videos. And remember, guys, Imgur has 257 million monthly visits. This is free hot traffic. Now, you're not gonna get all 257 million, but you have a potential of having a huge amount of people look at this video. So what you're gonna do when you're ready is you're gonna click on this to community button, and it will go post publicly, and you are all set. And now it is public, it is over there with your affiliate link in it, and then you're on your way. And then you go find another video and do the same thing over and over again. So that's it for today's video, and I'll see you in the next one.